How to flash the SD card on the Onefinity CNC. Start by making sure that all power is removed from the controller. Once we have all power removed, we'll start with the number 3 metric key and unscrew the front 4 bolts.
Once those 4 bolts are removed, we can disconnect the power button and move to the back of the controller. Now we can remove the 4 bolts holding the back plate onto the controller. After we've done this, we can slide the board out of the controller. With those 4 bolts removed, we can slide the controller board out of its housing, exposing the Pi so we can remove the SD card. Pull the SD card from the back of the Pi. It is not spring-loaded. Download and install Raspberry Pi Imager on your computer. Choose the OS you've downloaded from the Onefinity forum, link below. This will be the Onefinity Raspi image. It can be compressed or in a zip file. Now choose your storage device. Make sure that you only have the card from the Onefinity controller plugged in without any other storage devices, or you will write over them. Select yes, and the OS will start writing onto the card. If it asks you to insert a disk, you can exit out of that tab. We can now see that it's writing, and we're going to leave this until it writes, then verifies. Once it's done flashing, we can reinsert the card into the Raspberry Pi in the controller. We'll slide the card in, then we'll slide the board back into the controller housing and secure it in place using the 4 bolts. Back at the front of the controller, we can pull the blue connector through the front opening of the controller and connect it to the push button on the front plate. The connector only fits on the prongs of the button in one orientation, that is with the clip on top of the button. With our button reconnected, we can now secure the plate back to the controller housing with the 4 bolts.